If only our home could remain the way we see it on YouTube. Look at this. This is reality right here. I wish my home could stay like it do after I clean it for a YouTube video. But that's not reality. So let's clean, let's clean. Okay, so I went on and did my dishes and placed them in here to dry. This is what couldn't fit in the dishwasher. And now I'm about to just tackle this little stuff here. Then I need to rearrange so I can get the paper towels placed in there. Okay, so this was a life-changing. Nina Renee has showed how she put essential oils on her vacuum filter. I'm telling you, that was life-changing. So I'm gonna put some eucalyptus here. It makes a difference. I used to always smell the dirty trash and stuff, but it blows the air out as you vacuum it, and it's a nice aroma. So I just put a few drops here on the filter, and I let it dry for a bit before I vacuum, and it smells amazing. Here I'm just gathering all of my Dollar Tree finds, and I'm going to place them in a little cubby that I've been placing all of my little decor and things. I've been finding so many awesome items there. I'm so excited about the Dollar Tree. So stay tuned for some DIYs and all that good stuff. And because the Dollar Tree items did have a lot of glitter, I thought it would be so much easier just to use that duster to gather the glitter. And then I went through with a damp cloth and wiped all of the glitter up. And I did this a few different times. This is what I was burning today in the kitchen. Really, really good scent. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's been hours. I've been in here chit-chatting on the phone, cleaning. Every time I clean, I found other things that needed to be wiped down. So I pretty much did a deep clean on this kitchen. I just wiped that mirror down. I wiped this table down. I am probably gonna change this out. Probably not right now because I have other things to clean in the home. But I think I need to spruce this up and change out this centerpiece here. But nonetheless, I got everything cleaned out. Even this stuff right here. That's clean, clean, clean. Yes. So happy to not put this vase over here with this greenery. Just to switch it out because I didn't like the gold and black or whatever. Get my house shoes on. I even got all of the dishes dried and put up. So I wish my kitchen could stay like this on a daily basis. Like life kitchen goes, to keep it clean. It's time to move on to other things. I wish this right here, I wish this little area would definitely stay clean. Because it'll be a catch-all for everything. I have this little section nice and cleaned out. I removed the table and I took that picture down. So